Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a groundbreaking treatment for a rare genetic disorder called adrenoleukodystrophy, or ALD for short. It's called stem cell injection treatment, and it's revolutionizing the way we approach this debilitating disease. ALD is a genetic disorder that affects the nervous system and adrenal glands. It primarily affects young boys, causing them to experience a gradual loss of cognitive and motor abilities. It's a devastating condition that robs children of their quality of life, and until now, there has been limited hope for treatment. But thanks to advancements in stem cell research, there is a glimmer of hope. Stem cells, which possess the remarkable ability to transform into various cell types, are being used in groundbreaking ways to tackle ALD head-on. With stem cell injection treatment, stem cells are carefully harvested from a donor's bone marrow or umbilical cord blood. These cells are then injected into the patient's bloodstream, where they can travel to the affected areas of the brain and spinal cord. Once there, these incredible cells get to work, replacing damaged cells and promoting the growth of healthy ones. This restoration process can significantly slow down the progression of ALD and even improve existing symptoms. Imagine a child who was once unable to walk, now regaining their mobility. Imagine a family that was once overwhelmed with despair, now filled with renewed hope and joy. This is the power of stem cell injection treatment for ALD. While the treatment is still in its early stages, it has shown remarkable promise. Clinical trials have demonstrated positive outcomes, and families affected by ALD have reason to be hopeful. But to continue this groundbreaking research and offer hope to more families, further support is needed. With your help, we can bring this treatment to more children and ultimately eliminate the devastating effects of ALD. So, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on the latest advancements in stem cell research and learn how you can make a difference. Together, we can restore hope and quality of life to those affected by ALD. Thank you for watching.